got 16 hoes. You got 16. Who got 6 different cars? Let's go. Sometimes I don't really understand it. How you stupid pussy niggas selling my verses like bandits? You say that you could get it, you don't know it. Motherfucker, when I'm coming, I'm just going. Versus beat, versus start all day. YMCMB screaming that shit always. Got Nicki, got Drizzy on my dick, yay. Tryna say that you could bet. Tryna say that you was better than fucking yay. Now that's easy. I'm dancing like it's breezy. Nigga down going crazy. Getting high like Little Weezy. Saying that it's so easy. Make a rap game look so sleazy. Y'all niggas say you could beat me. Oh fuck you, rap beat me. I'm the pressure. I can't rap to your beat. I don't rap like that. I can rap. Alright.
It's getting funny, bro.
Rap game. Rap. Alright. We going slow-mo, not promo, but I'm no homo. I'm not homo, I'm a straight like a fucking circle, nigga. You know I will go fucking nerdy like a Urkel. Put my pants up, glasses down. Damn, his beats are so good it makes you just fucking laugh the whole time.
If you want a real beater, don't go to Justin. Come to me.
It's recording. Kill it then.
Kill it.
I can't.